Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this Black Panther inspired makeup look. Now I know in Black Panther they didn't have like too much like makeup that was like standing out, but I figured like I would take a spin on one of the characters and just like make it my own little thing. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep watching. Starting off with my MAC concealer, just priming my eyelids before I delve into the Jaclyn Hill palette. First go in with Pukey. And then I go back and forth between Hunts and Jacks, just creating like a nice transition before I add any pigment. Picking up my MAC Pigment shadow in the color Copper to really just set this look off. This is pretty much the focal point. Going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm using the black shade at Abyss on my outer corner. So I have this like glitter fun eyeshadow stick thing that I'm going to be using on my eyelid and just creating something really funky with it.
Purchase your tracks today.
So I realized that I had way too much like glitter going on, so I just had to erase some of it and then start all over. It happens. That was silly. That was so silly. I'm going back in with that same black eyeshadow shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I wet the brush a little bit to add a little bit more pigment. So I added lashes, and now I am just using my black Radiance mascara to do my bottom lashes and just create a nice little effect. Also going into my Carli Bybel palette to put a highlight on my brow bone, as well as using her whitest shade from the Deluxe palette for these little dots that I'm creating on my face. Lining my lips up with a dark brown pencil, and then going in with MAC's Antique Velvet lipstick, and then I am going back with my MAC Pigment Copper shadow to create this line down the center of my lip.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alright guys, that is it for this makeup tutorial. How awesome did this turn out? Like, this turned out so well. I am so happy. I will link everything in the description, but thank you so much for watching. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and give it a thumbs up if you saw Black Panther. Like, let me know in the comments what was your favorite part. Like, what was your takeaway? Will you be seeing it a second, third, fourth, fifth time? Like, come on somebody. And I will see you guys on my next video, and I will talk to you later.